I am happy that my CryptoQ media channel is back online. This video will go over the Xrp Etf as well as a big announcement involving XRPL and the letters R, L, U, S, and D. If this video was useful, please subscribe and like it. We will jump right in. At last, the foil had arrived. Before, we only had clues, now we know the whole truth. Canary Capital is ready to launch its inaugural exchange-traded fund ETF now. Is everyone prepared to do this? The cryptocurrency is held by an exchange-traded fund. The S1 file has also been made by Bitwise. Despite being the first to market with it, they have now included it. The final say in the matter rests with the SEC. Hold on a second to bid, this is bullish news, but the price isn't doing anything, people would say, so as not to get ahead of ourselves. Just like with Bitcoin and Ethereum ETS, this won't be revealed until a large player files an S1. Examples of such players include CBOE, BlackRock, Fidelity, or someone like. But it's obvious that everyone is waiting to see what happens. Ethereum and ETFs have fallen short of predictions, even as Bitcoin's growth is indisputable. Canary Capital's impending ugly ETF is the most recent attempt by Wall Street heavy hitters to create Xrp ETFs. The news follows a week of similar announcements from Bitwise and Brad Darling's house. The gravity of the situation must now become apparent. Quite a bit has transpired this place. This very second. These are examined in great detail by the SEC. The ultimate decision of the SEC is crucial. In retrospect, XRP is a classic case of the web-based catastrophes in which Brad, Stewart, and the call participated during the previous several years. The participation of individuals like Gary Gensler with these enormous organizations is an interesting element of institutionalized money, which this extreme stance does bring to light. Permit me to introduce myself, I am Vitaly, creator of Canary Capital. The application was submitted by Stephen McClurk, co-founder of Valkyrie Funds, on Tuesday, 1 week after Bitwise quotation. This demonstrates the progressiveness of the regulatory environment and the growing demand from investors, and it is a significant milestone for our company. As a result, the need to switch to it is clearly felt. Is anything else going on right now? It makes me happy to know that it works with exchange-traded funds. After much deliberation, the XRPL is finally getting the improvements it needs, particularly in the area of AMMS, but there's more big news on the way. RL, USD. Their present objective is to join RLUSD. It is necessary to emphasize. More use cases, greater leeway, and backing from banks and authorities are just a few of the benefits we reap in the end. After passing a code review and enabling RLUSD communication with automated market makers, the XRP ledger is soon to receive more enhancements. Ripple has warned users to be wary before the stablecoin's public introduction. Keep in mind that this will be sent to both the Ethereum and XRP ledgers, thus for the time being, we know that it will serve as our USD. The team has just generated and destroyed thousands of RLUSD tokens in anticipation of the private beta testing phase. A prominent community member has reported that the XRP ledger has been upgraded to support clawback tokens, which will allow the future stablecoin and others to be used on the AM. Additionally, this is crucial. With a more well-established banking system, this clawback functionality becomes increasingly relevant. This gamer is really perceptive, in my view. A lot of people are predicting a 75% increase in the price of XRP because of how cleverly it is being created. Time has seemingly flown by since then. We will review the charts soon. I mentioned an upswing, XRP is part of it. Many of us are feeling optimistic about the possibility of a breakout at the moment. we must immediately surpass 55 cents. Yes, we need to escape the crucial box up there, which is 50 to 55 cents. Just to be clear, a lot of people are now supporting a big push narrative for XRP. At the moment, the price of one Bitcoin is $66,000. The price of XRP has risen little today within this range. This consolidation phase, which entails retaining the bottom end of this descending wedge, has been a topic of much discussion, and I believe it is significant. This rigid pattern appears again. As we have already covered, this graph displays a triple bottom pattern. We are predicting an upward breakout at that location. This pattern typically functions in this way. Now that you have the three lowest marks, it's time to make a strong effort for improvement. So, is the trajectory of Bitcoin and XRP mirroring one another? Why is it different? The question is, how can we buy the financial markets and incorporate them? A lot of optimism, strategy, and XRP build-outs are present. Give them the best chance they have and give them the best tool you can. Considering we have two, I think you are witnessing institutional and financial adoption. XRP is registered as a fund that trades on exchanges. A deluge of these, in my opinion. Eventually, XRP will be in demand. Surprisingly, there is also the grayscale Xrp Etf to choose from. In this regard, it is also strengthening. I think it's important to note that this might be converted in the future, even though it's over 2 million right now. Hence, a necessity exists. There can be no trickery with you. Even if it's cheap, XRP is still a hot commodity. Many people were expecting us to take a bold step, but so far, that hasn't happened. Wall Street is coming and, in some instances, already is, so you should be ready for a big push. My video has been viewed, and I am grateful. It means a lot to me that you've subscribed and watched my channel. We can meet up later.